What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my video. It's kind of blurry today. Before I even get started on my video, because I'm going to be doing a glam look, we're going to do a little unboxing of what I got, you guys. You guys don't know what it is. Let's just get ready to see. I got my little scissors, little dirty scissors. I obviously got something from Ulta, you guys, so let's just see what it is. Okay, we have the NYX. This is huge. The NYX XXL matte makeup, NYX Epic Wear, waterproof eyeliner. I needed some eyeliner, you guys. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at the greens. Look at that. Beautiful palette. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you hear Blue's Clues in the background, I apologize, but you know, I have kids and I'm trying to occupy them. Other than that, welcome back to my channel. And if you have not seen, which I'm sure you've seen because it was in the beginning of the clip, this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Morphe palette that I unboxed. Now, we're going to be using this Morphe palette today. We are going to be using this Morphe palette today. I'm not sure what colors I want to use just because, you know, this is a beautiful palette and all the colors are just beautiful. I'm going to have to figure that out off camera, but let's just get started, you guys. By the way, as you can see, I did my eyebrows already, so this glam is going to be quick. Just stick around for the results. that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you like this look. I really love this look. It is, I don't know, I never have words for my looks, you guys. As you can see, oh my gosh, this look, I enjoy doing this look. Here's a good look. Again, I try to do something different every video, you guys. If you can you please send me on Instagram, here's my Instagram right here, some ideas that you want me to do. I'm not running out, but like, I like challenges, so if you guys could show me like a look that you would want me to do, please send them to me. I am coming out with bangers every time I post a video, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment if you would like, and turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss an upload, because I don't think you want to. Get with the winning team, and I will be back with the next video.